It's a birthday present. And I don't know, I love it.
I really like the buckle on this one.
Hannah's coming. What do you have there? Ooh. Let's head into a Fendi. See what they've got. I said to her, these are my... Oh, wow. Oh, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is freezing today. My hand is almost dying. My fingers are red. It's cold, windy. Oh my god, winter is here. So today we're actually gonna celebrate my belated birthday, which was in September when I had the surgery. So we're gonna see Hannah, we're gonna do a little shopping vlog, we're gonna meet my other friends, and I have a surprise for all of them. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a surprise for everyone today, for Hannah, for Sarah, for Becca. Sarah, my friend from university, she's really into Labubus too, so I think she's gonna be super happy that I have a Labubu for her. Hi guys! We're just trying how to get the right angle. We don't have a lot of space here, right?
It's not the right angle.
Look who's here with me! Today we're gonna go do a little shopping vlog and then celebrate my belated birthday later.
Yes.
And guys, you already know I told you, but Hannah doesn't know yet. So I have a little surprise for you. What?
No way.
So that you have a little bank charm too.
No.
You guys know how obsessed I am at the moment. I'm trying to get Hannah into this
with
as
them,
well.
and I've got absolutely no idea about these ones. Oh,
And
that's so
I
sweet.
think it's a color that you would enjoy as well.
Guys, this is so exciting. It's not my birthday. Look at this, you guys. Oh.
I thought with all your blue bags.
Yeah, beautiful. And you just it's like it was super soft. It really is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
of course. You know that Jessie really got me into this, right? And I feel like I need to try and give this virus on.
I think you are. I didn't expect that. That's such a nice surprise.
Oh my god, guys, I didn't expect this.
It's a birthday present.
And I was like, no, it can't, you cannot do this. This is Fendi, guys.
I'm trying not to look too. Got all of my equipment over here, you
I know, we
guys, so
got
it's
too
kind of
far.
like doubling up.
That was not necessary, of course.
No, it's
And I only got you a little.
No. This is not like a, something I would do normally. But you've had a really rough time, and I think you deserve a little piece of luxury from our favorite brand. And I hope you can use it. Well, hopefully you can.
Oh my god, I'm like shaking, guys. I haven't had anything to eat yet either, so my sugar level. Oh my god, that's the most beautiful material.
No, I thought you said it a few times that you wanted a card holder, and I thought, oh, thank you.
Guys, I can't believe it. And look how it goes with my ring. It's the exact same color.
You like pink, right?
I love pink already,
Good.
but that was not necessary.
No, but you've had a really bad time, and it's just a little something, and hopefully you can think of me when you put it in your purse.
Guys, look at all these little treats. Okay, and again, Hannah, you are the absolute best. Just a big
No, you are.
Hannah is filming. I still cannot believe what she has gifted me. This is so super kind. So we're just gonna stop here quickly, the resale fridges section, and we're gonna see what they have. And this is a good mirror. I can actually show you what I'm wearing. So my beloved brown winter coat, and I got this brown dress underneath. This gorgeous beige Claire Chanel Kelly. Stunning, £3,800. This bag is absolutely huge. Nice Fendis. This is quite nice. Gorgeous
Nice embroidery.
Yes. I always wanted a Jumbo XXL. Look at these flowers, guys. Stunning.
Yours are super special.
Look at this.
Super special.
It really is. Quick look at Louis Vuitton, guys. And look at this amazing reverse monogram bucket bag. And look at this. This is the new, I call it East-West soft trunk. I don't know what the actual name is. Guys, just dropping by Louis Vuitton. And look at this gorgeous capucine in shearling. Look at this gorgeous limited edition capucine. This is the MM size. It is quite big, I have to say. It's quite heavy. I think right after my surgery now I still can't carry a bag this heavy. But once I've recovered fully, I think I could do it. But just keep the weight in mind. And I don't know, I love it. What do we think? It is gorgeous. How much is it, this one?
7,400.
And it's shearling with suede? Okay. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. It's really big.
It is. It is.
Is
really
it quite
big.
heavy?
It is quite heavy. Do you want to try?
That has strap and dust bag, so we need to remove that.
Okay. Is there weights in it or is that just the
it's
weight
got
of
a
the
lot of
bag?
weight in
No,
it.
inside has a dust bag as well.
Okay.
I'm
Does
gonna
it?
remove it. Yeah.
Because it's so heavy, but it's so beautiful.
I mean, it's really as gorgeous.
It is.
But it's weighty.
It's weighty. But imagine how heavy it would be when you fill it up. Okay, Hanno, tell me, what do we think about that capucine?
I think it's incredible.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it really is.
A little bit more LV. Okay, guys, so
Really for me, to be honest.
these are the inside-out Neverfulls, and I'm like, you can just do that with a normal Neverfull, right? Yeah. And this is the low-key line and the slouchy capucines. This one is nice.
Yeah.
Like the velvet.
or something.
Yeah. Like with the little stones. Okay guys, should we head into Chanel quickly, see what they got?
It's got a beautiful smell.
Yes.
Look at that pink colour.
And that is a really nice color and it's caviar leather.
Yeah, it's a beautiful colour. And look at the chain.
Super special, guys. Super special.
It's the same colour.
It's the same color.
It's beautiful though. I really like the buckle on this one.
Mm-hmm. It's super beautiful.
Yeah.
Which one do we like more? The one with the big CC or the smaller one?
I think this one, personally.
Yeah, right?
I think it's got a bit of something different about it.
Yes. So show me. This is the big CC. Which one do you prefer? This one or this one? Nice. I just heard the bells for the first time while I was in here. This is the chain. You cannot adjust it. I like the different chains, but it's quite long. Oh, guys. Look at this gorgeous Chanel bag. It's a stunning metallic. We've seen it in the window display before. Do I risk metallics again though? Hannah's coming. What do you have there? Ooh! That is a
little
really
green one.
nice sage color.
Light green, apparently.
Ooh, and look at this,
The
guys.
little Chanel
Stunning.
on the lock though.
I love it. I love both of them. If I would only know that they're wearing better, you know,
Yeah,
than my purple one.
yeah, it's nice.
Like, my trust is still not back. Yeah, my trust is still not restored though. Can't help it.
Well, tainted once, it's difficult, isn't it?
Gucci, guys. A little bit of Gucci. We love some sparkles. And these are the new Blondie bags. I don't know about you guys. I always loved the Blondie line. I think it's quite beautiful. I think it's actually from the archives and they brought it back. It's like a vintage style that's a little bit more modern now. The new designs. Oh wow. Look at this. This is mesmerizing, right? Love it. Look at this, guys. Actually, I like those bucket bags. Quite nice. There we got a little shearling version too. Now a little bit of Fendi, Hannah's favorite brand. Yes. Let's head into a Fendi. See what they've got. Hannah's favorite brand. And there she goes, guys. This is the new collection and look how gorgeous it is. Hannah knows me so well. I cannot believe she got me this card holder in the pink. It is so stunning. Look at this. Oh, I love how Hannah is showing. Labubu. And this, maybe we should try this one on. That's quite gorgeous, right? The bonbon in pink metallic. And look at this. This is a nice. Oh, feels very nice actually.
Got a little something. Congratulations to Rabina. Happy birthday, darling.
Honestly, guys, I just want to say a quick shout out because Hannah has been with me through this entire year, through all these months, and she knew what was going on, and you've always asked how I was, and honestly, it means so much to me. Guys, I had to try this one on because, whoa. I always say it, like all these sparkly bags, they sparkle and shine way more in real life than on camera. I don't know why, my camera is not really picking it up. Same with Bvlgari when we looked at these bags. This is such a nice little size, no? So which one do we like better? This one, right? Because of the gold. But let me show you this baby anyway. Can never go wrong with a little black sparkly bag. And guys, they brought the silver version out too.
But look at it's like rainbow.
Yes. Yeah, guys, I just have to show you this little sparkle baby too. This is really nice. I think this is nicer than the black one. Look at this gorgeous metallic beauty. Again, I wish it had gold hardware. It's quite heavy. And I think the effect is honestly the best, right? I love the rainbow sparkles. Which one would you prefer, the Fendi Peekaboo or the baguette?
I'm a baguette fan, but I have to say this peekaboo, it could sway me.
The most lovely people at Fendi. Okay, I actually like these. I think they're super cute. Even this one is super cute. Oh wow, guys. Let's look at these. This is a DIOR bag. I have never seen this before. I think we've seen these. This is nothing new. So I haven't fallen in love with a DIOR bag in a long time. These are cute. I think I've actually seen them in the outlet once though.
What, the back?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I definitely filmed the pink one. Yeah. Last Christmas. Okay, I cannot believe they're playing the Christmas songs already, guys. You guys know I love Loewe bags. I think I would make a custom order if I ever got one. But this really nice color combinations and a little bit of Ferragamo. Nothing too special though. Loewe, they once had more stock, to be honest. It's not a lot of stuff here at the moment. Quick stuff, it's sunglasses, because they actually have 50% off sunglasses. Guys, look at this. They're really nice. 50%. Yeah, I said to her, these are my... Oh, wow. I honestly think it's 60s Diva. What do we think? Show me the side as well.
It's got the baguette on the side.
Really lovely. I love them, guys. Look at this nice tree. We're gonna head over to the restaurant now because I think Hannah and me both were pretty exhausted. So look at the Christmas lights everywhere, and even there. I'm gonna meet my friends now and I'm gonna give them the Labubu as a little surprise. Let's hope they enjoy it. Yeah. So we're gonna have dinner at Sunday in Brooklyn, but they just called it Snow Day in Brooklyn. So Hannah and me, we got some starters to share. Before everybody's coming. Bon appetit!
I don't know. I've seen this girl on TikTok trying to find them for ages.
I don't know which ones, but you can all pick one, and then we all have Labubu, a little pass pie.
Oh, nice. You great one. Cute. I'm just going straight into I'll take the one in the middle. I feel like it's meant for us. Yeah, you know.
And then we all have to get outfits, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
So showy.
I love this sister. Yeah. Oh, there's stickers.
Okay, bon appetit, everyone. Oh, guys.
Happy birthday, dear Romina.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.